Hello you guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you are new here. Today's video, I want to talk about my year experience with the Ulike LED mask. You heard that right, a year, okay? I've had this thing for a year. I will throw up my original video up in the cards if you're curious to check that out. That was me using it. I think I had used it at that point for about 2 months-ish, so it's been a little over a year now since I've been using this consistently in my routine. And I kind of want to talk to you, run you through it again, and kind of tell you if I really think this is worth it and what results I've seen long-term, what my favorite uses are, and all this, and why this has replaced the previous one that I used to use. So I feel like red light therapy masks have been insanely popular recently, and there's a lot on the market, so it can make choosing one really hard. So I kind of want to share with you, since I have used 2 different ones. I used the rubber one that you kind of like strap to the back of your head, and I've used this now for a year. I kind of want to talk to you about what the differences are, what you can expect to see, and what kind of sets this one apart from others on the market, so you can make an educated decision based off of what your needs are and your wants. But spoiler alert, this is the best. I'm not kidding. Big shout out to Ulike for partnering with me on today's video to kind of talk to you guys about my results for a year and why I think this truly is worth the investment, and seriously like leaps and bounds better than anything on the market in terms of competition. And Ulike did provide me with a coupon code. I will leave it here on the screen. The mask takes 8 minutes to go through its light cycle, and you can see results within 2 weeks, but honestly, you really need to give it time. And it's one of those things that if you're not consistently using it, if you stop using it, the results are going to stop. You have to continue to use it. It really has to be used regularly in order to see the results. So if you're someone who is very diligent with skincare and just want to like amp it up, this is something that I definitely would recommend in your rotation. Ulike has over 10 years of expertise in the optical skincare realm, and this is FDA cleared. Some of the differences with Ulike compared to the other ones on the market, if you're curious, is this has that patented mirror technology, so it's going to give you better coverage with the light reflection, which is going to make results faster, in my opinion. That's what I like to see. So the mirror really helps with reflecting the lights and making sure you get really good coverage on your skin. This has 272 LED lights within there, and they are a higher light energy, but not too high. It's still safe, but it's going to obviously lead to faster results as well. And each modular that you can see kind of has 4 different LED bulbs within it. So again, just a lot more concentration, but still in a very safe energy form. This uses 100 megawatts, which outperforms the competitors by at least 30 megawatts. So if you're spending the money on this and you're giving it the time, you want to see the results. So faster results is what this will give you based off of the energy that this mask produces. The other thing that I feel like is different compared to a lot on the market, has 4 different modes. So you can kind of select based off of what you need. And I love that because I love targeting my skincare, like using actives nights, using retinol nights, using recovery nights to really kind of tailor what my skin needs. And that's how you're gonna get the best results. So this has a glow, a firm, a clear, and a rejuvenate mode. So I'm gonna go through and talk to you guys about all of those modes. But you're able to just like customize the results, which you're getting more bang for your buck with this because they're not cheap. So you want to make sure that you're getting your usage, and you're getting usage for all the different skin concerns. I will be completely honest with you, the thing that really sold me on this to begin with, besides just the results, because the results didn't happen right away, was the comfort of this mask. I had used the rubber masks where you strap them to your face, I'm just knocking my glasses off, and they would push on different parts of my skin, and when I would take it off, my skin would be red. It would be red, and like I got uneven coverage, and I was like, am I burning that skin? Is other parts of my skin not getting as much? It would get really hot. I just didn't like that. So what I love about this is this does not touch your face. It has the design of this little eye mask here, where it sits on here, and then it's got the comfort strap in the back that's adjustable, but nothing touches your face, which I also like, because if you're an acne girl, you know, you're like, no, I don't want anything directly on my skin. And this kind of eliminates those issues. So it's good where if you can wear this around the house, I use it to put my dishes away. Habit stacking is the best way to make sure that you're like consistent with it. Typically though, I just do it in bed at night before I go to bed. So I wash my face, then do this, then go through with all my serums and things like that. But I loved the design of this way more, and that is what helped me stay consistent with it because I hated the design of the other ones. This also has a special feature where it has like dual areas where you tend to want the results the fastest. So it has dual lights care for your forehead, your cheeks, and your nasal labial folds. So those are those issues that tend to show wrinkles the most. We tend to break out the most. We tend to just need extra love and support there. So they have dual lights in that specific spot. So let's go through the modes really quick. This is how you like plug the mask in. So you don't need to be attached to the wall or anything like that. This charges through a typical, I don't know, USB-C, I think. I don't know. It lasts me a decent amount of time. I pretty much charge it like once a week, and that's all I really need to do, depending on how many times you use it though. And then you just plug it into the mask. And then I like that the cord is long enough. I can put this in my pocket and I'm good to go. But let's go with, let's see what mode I used last. I used the firm mode. Okay, so this is the glow mode. So you just click the button and it will lead you to what mode you want to do. It uses infrared, red, and yellow lights. And this is going to, if you have dull skin, uneven skin, texture, all of that, that's the mode you want to use for this. This is going to reduce the melanin that your skin naturally produces, brighten the overall appearance of your skin. That does that in 8 minutes. It's super quick, super easy, but again, you have to consistently use it. The glow mode is really going to focus on stimulating collagen, and that's going to smooth the roughness and make your skin appear overall brighter. Then we have the firm mode. So let's go to the firm. The firm mode uses red and infrared. You can't always see all the lights. Also, I should make that clear because you cannot see infrared lights. But this is going to be if you have like saggy skin, fine lines, you're starting to see those early signs of aging. That's what the firm mode is going to be best for. So this is going to smooth those fine lines. It's going to improve overall just like the firmness in your skin. We got the red light that's going to help really stimulate the collagen, and then the infrared is going to help smooth the texture and reduce those fine lines and just overall boost the skin's firmness. Okay, then we have the Rejuvenate. The Rejuvenate's honestly one of my favorites. I didn't think it would be at first, but it has become my favorite. So let me show you, wait. This is the Rejuvenate. So this is if you have a damaged skin barrier, you have a lot of redness, you have sensitivity, skin irritation. This uses yellow and infrared light, and this is going to help reduce that redness and strengthen the skin barrier. So the yellow calms the irritation, and then the red again helps with collagen and reducing redness and strengthening the skin barrier in the process. So for me, I used to be insanely active happy. Okay, I would do so much retinol, so much exfoliating. It was just too much, to where I remember girls being like, oh, less is more. And I'm like, no girl, if you realize that I wake up with blackheads and pimples on my face all the time, more is more. I need to be doing more. But in reality, I was just wrecking my skin barrier. So there was a time, probably about 2 months ago, where I stopped all actives. I just worked on the Rejuvenate and worked on just hydrating, soothing products. I stripped it back, and there was a time period where my skin was like, ah! But then once my skin balanced its oil productions and everything like that, I found harmony and realized I do not need to be using actives every day to cure my skin. In fact, I need to be doing the opposite and really giving my skin time to heal. And I feel like the Rejuvenate helped me so much at strengthening my skin barrier, and I didn't even realize that that mask could do this. So I'm honestly insanely happy with the results that I've gotten from the Rejuvenate mask. From the Rejuvenate setting on my mask, I don't have a ton of like before and afters, because to be honest with you, if you deal with skin issues, you really don't take a lot of pictures. I do have this one though, where I was dealing with just like super inflamed issues on my chin. I thought this was acne. No, this was a damaged skin barrier that was producing like so much oil. So this, I feel like, has significantly helped my areas. I tend to get sensitive like right in this area. So I stripped it back. Now I am using retinol again. I'm using actives, but insanely slow, and I am using the Rejuvenate to make sure that my skin barrier is intact, because if your skin barrier is not in good health, the results are gone because your skin is constantly stressed. So make sure you're using the Rejuvenate. Even if you want the other results, make sure you're using the Rejuvenate too, to make sure that your skin barrier is strong so it can handle all of the other things that you want to do to it. Last but not least, the Clear, which also was my saving grace, to be honest with you. If you're an acne girl, this is what that one looks like. This uses red and blue lights. If you're an acne girl, you know how insanely frustrating it is to just like wake up and know that you're gonna have a new blemish on your face. And I dealt with that for an insanely long time. So the Rejuvenate and the Clear were like my best friends for a time where it's like I wasn't using actives, but I wanted to do something for my acne. So if you have oily skin, acne, uneven texture, this is going to help improve the overall health of your skin, reduce that acne. The blue light with the red light really help kind of reduce the inflammation in the skin, as well as just help prevent future breakouts and encourages collagen production, which overall just makes the skin stronger and healthier. So those are all 4 modes. So like, I know this is a pricey mask, but I honestly believe that because you get all 4 settings in here, unlike any of the other masks where it's just an on and off button, you're getting such a good bang for your buck, because no matter what cycle of your skin is going through, whether you're constantly dealing with these things, whether it's just every once in a while, whether it's around that time of the month, you can target whatever your skin concerns are, which I think makes Ulike Mask so much different than anything. Like honestly, it's like not even comparable to anything on the market. So I hope you guys found this video like helpful and useful, because truly I know that red light therapy is a big buzz right now and there's so many different places you can get it on, but you need to make sure that what you're spending your money on, it actually works. So you want it to be FDA certified, and the Ulike is. And then also you want to focus on what concerns you really have. Like right now it might be acne, but in the future you might want to target more fine lines, wrinkles, or whatever the case may be. Or let's say you have a daughter who's dealing with acne and you're dealing with something else. You can both use this mask, and I think it just makes it so much more of a bang for your buck, in my opinion. And Ulike did provide me with a coupon code. I will leave it here on the screen. So if you're curious to check out Ulike and really kind of just amp up whatever skincare you're already doing, I feel like this mask is that and more. Like I honestly couldn't be happier with my year results and how I feel like I have incorporated this into my skin care routine. Now the biggest thing I will say is, again, use this on clean skin. Make sure though you are using sunscreen. So anything that this does, like collagen production and acne and fine lines and all of those things, the sun kind of cancels that out. So let's make sure that we're using our SPF in combination with this, and I think you will see results. But make sure that you have that expectation of, yes, it takes 8 minutes. You're not gonna notice immediate results. It's gonna take at least 14 days to see those, you know, results starting to come to about. But if you really are diligent and consistent, habit stacking with this thing, it makes it so much easier, whether it's reading a book. Let's say you have a book goal, 8 minutes, turn it on, go. Let's say you want to stop scrolling, you just give yourself the 8 minutes to scroll at night, whatever it may be that helps you kind of like fit this into your routine. The more you use it, the better your results will be. So again, big shout out to Ulike for partnering with me on today's video, just kind of talk to you guys about my results for a year and why I think this truly is worth the investment, and seriously like leaps and bounds better than anything on the market in terms of competition. So give it a go. I'll have all the details in the description box down below. Don't spend half the money on something that's subpar. Spend the money on something that you are going to use no matter what your skin is going through at any given moment. And you can kind of customize it and tailor it, which is why I'm obsessed. So I hope this video was helpful, because I know that red light masks and all of that can be kind of overwhelming, confusing. There's so much on the market in terms of pricing and style and design, but I kind of highlighted the biggest things for me, which were the design of the mask in general, and then the customization of the different settings that you can do. So I hope you enjoyed, found this video fun, helpful, whatever the case may be, and it helped you kind of decide if the Ulike mask will be the mask for you. I mean, I don't know how it couldn't be, but you know what I mean. I hope you got some more information and it kind of helped you make that decision. So again, big shout out to Ulike for partnering with me on today's video. And don't forget to use this code on the screen. I will also have all of the details in the description box down below. I love you guys so much. Thank you all for watching, and I will see you in my next one very, very soon. Bye.